the world's best AI app builder. Seems like there is a new AI coding agent, and this one is actually web based. Let's just try it. So you can simply just click on get started, sign up with Google, and then you can see this screen for databutton.com/new. So the name of this app is Databutton, and this is a bit different than you see in Bolt.new or lovable.dev or any other like web-based AI app builders. So this has like this describe your app thing, and then you can actually generate starting point with AI. All right, so you can start with app name. So I have actually created these descriptions in DeepSeek. So let's just ask DeepSeek to create these details for us. If you don't know what DeepSeek is, it's just like ChatGPT, but it's more advanced reasoning model. So app name, let's just name it Focus Flow. All right, so give it a name, Focus Flow. Pitch is stay focused. Okay, all right. Let's just give it a pitch. Then app description. All right. So we got app description. Then there is our target audience. So let's just give it copy it from here, paste it here. Then there is UI library, pre-built components, shared scene, desktop, dark. All right. Once we click on that, it will now start its magic. All right. So apparently it has these 4 steps: initialize app, extract design guidelines, generate plan, write code. Okay. Let's see how different it is. How different, I mean, so far the onboarding process is different from Bolt.new and any other AI coding agents. So far, like the way we enter prompts is different from how we do it in Bolt.new or any other AI coding agents. All right, awesome. This is good. Welcome to Boostify. All right, welcome to Focus Flow. All right. Where can I run? So we can just see like this is like that, looking good. So we can actually build backend as well. Apparently, your app has no APIs, so we can add new APIs and we can create a proper backend. Okay, so we can create app has no components. We can do that. Implement timer functionality. So let's just give it a command. It looks a bit like Replit, maybe like an enhanced version of Replit. All right, create. So if I just click on deploy, you have to set a public account wide username for that. Let's just set a username, confirm, and username has been set. All right, how can I deploy? Let's just deploy it. Here to be app focus flow. The will be available at focus flow. Okay, so our app is available apparently on this URL. All right. No. Let's just explore its functionality. Where's the code base? Where can I access the code? So edit code. All right, cool, perfect. Hide history. So there's a history. I think there's a prompt history or okay. So version control basically. There it is. Our project is live actually. So within just like with one prompt, with like by giving all of that details, it has created this for us. It doesn't have any functionalities, but it has created this. All right, so it's live. It's there. Interface looks good. It looks like a finished interface. There is a toggle between dark and light mode, which is good. There's no functionality yet, but yeah, I mean there's a toggle, so you can see, you can find your app there. there is no option to like easily modify your code. So you can see there is this one file. I can just access this file. Okay, all right. So there are then these functionalities that it has. So it just asks you to like uh, create those functionalities, and then I think it will just like automatically deploy in real time, and then you can see everything in real time. Okay, fine. So yeah, it's a nice tool, but again, I think it doesn't have too much freedom. It has a different sort of you can say onboarding process, but it doesn't have like too much freedom that we need to build something big. So data button is good. It can create something based on the the initial input that it takes. That takes like enough data for you to start, but it's not something like Cursor. It's not something like Bolt. It's a bit different than Bolt. It will create something for you, but you don't have too much freedom to like modify your code and then like play with it, or like install third-party components, libraries independently. You can actually using the terminal, but still the environment it's a bit complicated. I didn't like. It has the option to directly deploy and get a URL to look at your what you just created, but again, it's I would like to like stick with Cursor and Bolt. This is kind of a better version of Bolt in case if you want to like ask for the requirements. The way actually it takes requirements. I think we can implement same thing on Cursor as well. So let's suppose if you want to start a project, so we can actually build a plugin where you ask for this kind of like details in beginning, so that way actually Cursor will have better idea about what you're going to build. This is just like an extra idea, but yeah, it was okay. It was not too bad. I see you next video. Bye bye.